So because Elle loves the pasta salad, the pesto pasta salad from like Aldi and M&S and things, we are trying to save money at the moment, so we thought we would try and make our own. So I've looked up a few recipes and we're going to do like a budget version of the pesto. It seems to be that it is the pine nuts that make it expensive to make, because pine nuts can be a bit more expensive. So we've had a look online and a good substitute seems to be sunflower seeds. So we've bought them, we've got a basil plant, and I've bought some Parmesan cheese. You can buy, there's another cheese that's very similar to Parmesan, it's a bit cheaper, you can buy that, although when we were in Asda they didn't have it, but that would be another option to make it a bit more budget. And we need oil in it. I don't like the taste of olive oil, so we're going to use sunflower oil, which will go with sunflower seeds. 2 seconds. And what else do we need? It needs garlic, and we've got garlic puree. We're going to add a little bit of lemon juice to keep it a nice bright green colour, and we've got that. So I'm going to push you in so you can help. What job are you going to do? Are you going to pick the leaves off the plant? That'd be a good job. Right, if you start picking the leaves very carefully, and I'm going to put the kettle on to boil, okay?
And these are, what are they called again, Mum?
Basil leaves.
These are basil leaves that we're putting on our pasta salad. So we're picking so many to put on our pasta salad.
We're going to use this. Do you know what this is?
And this is garlic puree.
Garlic puree.
And they're putting it in our pasta salad to make it on, what's that?
Parmesan cheese.
And we're using Parmesan cheese. And I have to pick more. What's that called?
Sunflower seeds.
And I need sunflower seeds too.
We're going to need some other things. What else do we need?
I think I know.
Oil?
Oil, yeah. And today, these are the leaves that I picked. And this is what we said again.
Basil leaves.
And these are basil leaves, and they're green, and they're good, and they make you strong.
Oh, I know what we
definitely
definitely need.
Nice to eat. And we need salt, and these are really tasty. So, because you buy them from a shop, and you can eat them.
Can you pop this into the pan for me?
And this is how you do it. Look.
Watch what you're doing now.
Just some.
No, you put it all in the leaves.
Okay. And can you see that? That's how you do it. Whoops. And we're going to let them
Oh, the battery's away to run out, so we might have to stop filming for a minute, okay? So we're going to put our pasta on to cook, aren't we? So we'll get our pasta on to cook while we're doing the other things to make our sauce. So I don't have a food processor anymore because I got rid of it because we never used it. So we're going to use our smoothie maker. So we're just putting all the basil leaves and the other ingredients in here. And we're going to blitz it up to make our pesto, aren't we? So Elle is just grating up some Parmesan very carefully, aren't you? Keeping your fingers away. And I'm going to pull off some more basil leaves for our sauce.
And that's me making a noise.
Yeah, and we're going to check how the pasta's getting on.
And this is smelly, so don't you smell this anyway.
It is very smelly, isn't it? So I've got about a cup of basil there, so I'm going to add that to our blender, and then we're going to add in our Parmesan. So we've just added about half a teaspoon of garlic puree, and I'm about to add in the sunflower seed. I think I'm going to start with 2 dessert spoons and see how that looks. So we're going to put in 2 dessert spoons of our sunflower seeds. Ready? 1.
Can I add in that one?
Yep. Ready? 2. We give that a go?
Yeah.
I think maybe we should go for... We'll start with 2 and see how we get on, yeah? So Elle has kindly grated up all this
and then
Parmesan cheese for us.
And they crumbled it up to make it into small pieces, so to make it yummier.
Okay, so we're going to add that into our mixture. So we're going to try adding 2 dessert spoons first and see how that goes. Right, stop.
I think these bits are okay, Mum.
Okay, so we'll put that bang down. Now we're not making a whole lot because We don't know how it's going to taste at the moment, so I'm not making a big batch, I'm just making a really small batch. As you can see, there's not too much here. See how it goes, and if the ratios work out well, we can like multiply them for next time.
And that's the blender, and we're blending it up to make it really good.
Yeah, we're going to blend it up. We need to add some oil next, and then once it's made, we might add a little bit of lemon juice to keep it nice and bright green. Sound good?
Yeah.
And I think our pasta might be almost ready, and then we can add it in, okay?
Yeah.
There we go, try that again. Okay, so this is where we're at now. This is what it's looking like. I'm going to try and zoom in a bit and let you see. It smells really nice. So we're going to try adding 1/4 of a cup of oil to our mixture. Whoa, good job, Elle. Well done. And then we'll
mix up.
Yeah, and then we'll blitz it back up in the blender again, will we?
Yes, maybe the blender again.
So this is what we're looking at with 1/4 of a cup of oil. If I can get it to focus in, hang on. So it's looking quite a good consistency, I think. We'll give it a taste and see what we think and see if it needs anything more. Thing to get it out, but try it like that and see how much you can get out. Ugh. Is it going to taste good? It will.
So.
It will taste good. Right, let's try and get the bottom.
That looks gross.
It's not gross.
But looks was fine, but it's not gross.
You know it's not gross, really.
But just look
Right.
gross.
Right.
Can I stir it up a bit?
Yeah, you give it a stir. Remember, the pan might be a bit warm still. So this is what it's looking like now with how much we made. We probably could have made a bit more, but yeah, for our first attempt, we're going to give this a try. Do you want to add in a little bit more parmesan?
Yeah, and
okay, go and add it in then.
This is actually cheese.
Yeah, so go and add it in.
And
Sprinkle it in. Good job. We'll give it a good mix through, and then we'll do a taste test, will we?
Squeeze some lemon.
Right. So Elle's just going to squeeze in a little bit of lemon juice, aren't you?
Yes.
Can you do it?
Yes.
Is it tricky?
Yes.
Want me help? Right, here we go. We'll just do a little bit just to kind of.
Can I try and do it that much?
Don't want too much. Yeah, you can have another go. Don't do too much though. So I'm just on a bit of a clean up mission here. I just had to clean up all the basil and parmesan that was on the floor from where Elle was working, and just tidying up some of our ingredients and things. So this is what was left over of the parmesan that Elle grated. I think I'm just going to add that into our pan actually, and then we've got a little bit left here. I might just coarsely grate on top. Yeah, so I'm going to do that just now. So here is our final dish. It does smell different to the pasta salads that we buy out the shop, but I guess only a taste test will do. So we're going to go and try it and see what we think. You like it? Would you have that for lunch again?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Well done. So there you go, that is the final dish. I'm going to write a blog post to go alongside this with all the details, with all the recipe, all the ingredients that we used, and a bit of a costing to let you know how much it cost. It was definitely cheaper than if we were to buy the packets all the time from like Aldi or M&S or somewhere. It was a big hit with Elle. You enjoyed it, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
And she really enjoyed making it too. So I'm about to go and have a bowl myself. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would love it if you would share it with your friends and family. I'm going to pin it on Pinterest. You can share it with the share button. If you're not already subscribed, I'd love it if you should subscribe and stick around. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!